Luckily for Joe now, he see Brother Trevor car. So he stopped Brother Trevor and said, Brother Trevor. And he jumped in the car, in the back of the car, man. So Brother Trevor said, what happened to you, Brother Joe? Joe said, Brother Trevor, you know, see me up on the road, up at the cemetery, and I see one Duppy. And when me look, and Duppy me see, and the Duppy never run me down. Greetings, one and all. No. Once upon a time, there was a man named Farmer Joe. And Farmer Joe have whole heap of cow and goat. Now, Joe was running out of place to tie out the cow and the goat because of drought and everywhere just dry up. All of the grass dry. So one day Joe go in, man, and Joe spot some green grass. So Joe friend now, Mas Freddy. Joe said to Mas Freddy, say, but what on the Mas Freddy? No green grass that over there, so. Mas Freddy said, yes, man. Enough grass over there, so. So Joe said, then me no can't tie out me cow and me goat them over there. Freddy said to Joe, say, you idiot, master. You know, say it's a cemetery. And Duppy will lick you down over there. Joe look at Master Freddy and say, you ever see Duppy from you, man? Me like the grass when me see over there, and me I go tie out my goat them over there tomorrow. No, Joe go home, man, and all Joe I think about is the green grass up at the cemetery. So Joe said to his wife, you know, say me see some whole heap of grass over one place where they say a cemetery over there. Me never know say a cemetery, you know, but the grass lush and nice and green, and me I go tie out my cow and me goat them over there tomorrow. The wife said to Joe, said, Joe, me not like that sitting there, you know, when you come talk about tie out, go and come and go to a cemetery, you know. Because me no want you go over there and carry Duppy come back in the house in your son. Joe said to his wife, said, stop your foolishness, man. You ever seen nothing named Duppy? You will not idiot or something. And make the Duppy come. Make the Duppy come, because I'm not afraid of Duppy. Next morning, early, man, 6 o'clock, Joe get up and Joe run, man, and gather up the whole of the cow and the goat them and up into the cemetery. Joe gone. Joe leave the cow and go tie them out, and them just are watching animals them in the nice green grass. When Joe I go home now, in past mass soldier shop. So soldier said to him, say, Joe, where you come from? So look like you just done something. He said, no, man. Up by cemetery, that's where I come from. The soldier said to Joe, cemetery? Where you are do up a cemetery, Joe? Joe said, I'm go them, I tie up over there now. A nice grass over there, you see? So soldier said to Joe, Joe, you're not afraid of Duppy? Joe said, make the Duppy come, soldier. Me a bullbuck and Duppy conqueror, so make the Duppy come. And anyway, Joe reach on yard, man. And one piece of rain tear that day. He rain fall. He fall. And all through the pan, oh my God, the poor animal them, the poor goat and the poor cow them are wet up over the cemetery. Anyway, rain never stopped fall till about 11 o'clock the night. So, when the rain done, Joe said, him a go up at the cemetery, cause him have to go look at the animal them to make sure that the animal them alright. So the wife said to Joe, Joe, you really a come out of the house and go up at the cemetery at this hour and the night? Huh? You're not afraid that you lick you down, right? You're not afraid. Joe said, no, but that will stress me out, woman. I don't believe in a nothing named Duppy. And me, I go up at the cemetery tonight, yeah. Go look at me animal them. Joe take up his torch, his little lantern, and he head out at the door, say him go up at the cemetery, if he go look at the animal them. When Joe reached up a soldier shop, soldier said to Joe, Joe, how will you go at this hour, brother? Joe said, you know, say the cow them, me I go look pan, because the rain whole day today, I never go check them out. And soldier said, then another cemetery, you say you tie them out. Joe said, yes, man, but me can't go sleep on my bed, I don't know if they're alright. So, Joe and him way to the cemetery. When Joe I go now, Joe see Brother Trevor taxi. So Brother Trevor stop now and said, Joe, Brother Joe, how where you want to go at this hour of the night? Your wife knows say your house and do a brother. Joe said, Brother Trevor, up at the cemetery me I go. Me not cheat on my wife. Up at the cemetery me I go because me tie out my cow and me goat them up there and the rain fall whole day. Me need to go check to make sure so they're alright. Brother Trevor says, Joe, you not afraid Duppy lick you down up at the cemetery up there? Joe said, Brother Trevor, man, me a God picking you know. Me baptize in Jesus' name. Me don't believe in another name Duppy. So, Brother Trevor said, alright, Brother Joe, me will give you a lift up at the cemetery. So Joe get a lift now right up at the cemetery. And Brother Trevor let him off and said, God go with your Master Joe. Brethren and friends, as Joe stepped over in at the cemetery, and you know sitting in them the country night there, no light, nothing over there. Joe get a slip and slide and he drop and he lantern out. So Joe don't have no light in the middle of the cemetery. Joe cannot see. Joe had searching light, and not a lighter inside. So Joe said, you know, me left out of the house without no lighter. And we can't even see where I go. Lucky now for Joe. Joe see one man in front of him. Look like him and go over the cemetery too. So Joe said to the brother, hey brother, want go answer? The brother turned around and said, me alright man, how are you do up here at this hour? So Joe said, at the cow them I come look for you know. But me run out of light. Me just slip away and go and my lantern out and me need some light. You don't have no lighter. The man said, yes man. Me have a lighter, you don't see a smoke, me a smoke. And the man tell Joe to come and get the light. When Joe reach up to the brother and the brother give Brother Joe the light, Joe light the lamp now and look in at the man's face. Joe says something is wrong. When Joe look on the man, Joe see some teeth long out at the man's head with blood come out of it. And the man looks strange. And the man start laugh after Joe. I say, my brother, Joe take him friend now and put him hand in his foot and start to run, dash with the lamp and start to run. When Joe run out, man, Joe see one woman on the street. Joe say, Miss, hold on there, Miss. So Joe see the woman now. So the woman stop and say, I want the man here bother me for no man. I want the man here bother me for. And Joe say, oh my God, me so glad me see you. Because me over the cemetery a while ago, me see one man. And when me look at the man teeth, the man look like a duppy. The woman turned to Joe and said, you mean teeth like these? And the woman teeth look like another duppy. The woman teeth them rotten and long out of her head. And brother Joe now start to panic and start to run. Joe run. Luckily for Joe now, he see brother Trevor car. So he stopped brother Trevor and said, brother Trevor. And he jump in the car, in the back of the car, man. So brother Trevor said, what happened to you, brother Joe? Joe said, brother Trevor, you know, see me up at the road, up at the cemetery, and I see one duppy. And when I run, I see one next woman now, and me stop her to see if she can help me. The woman a duppy too. Brother Trevor said to Joe, then Joe, now you me here say you're not afraid of duppy. Joe said, yes, brother Trevor, but you don't understand, man. When they open their mouth, me see some funny teeth in their mouth. So brother Trevor turned around now, man, and said to brother Joe, you mean teeth like these? When Joe see the teeth in a brother Trevor head, Joe jump out of the car and start to run. Joe hard now the life support because Joe thinks that brother Trevor was brother Trevor, but brother Trevor looked like a duppy. So Joe running. Oh, he reached the shop. Soldier said to Joe, hold on the man. How will you go so? Joe running at the shop and said, soldier, throw some water for me. Soldier get some water now and throw upon Joe. So soldier said, I want to your brother Joe. So Joe said, you know, so we go up at the cemetery. And when we look, a duppy me see. And the duppy them around me down. And the duppy there. And more down. So soldier said to Joe, calm down, Joe. Calm down yourself and drink some water. When you say you see, Joe said, I paid up me see. I paid up. Joe start to bawl. So soldier said, then Joe, how you know say a duppy you see? Joe said, soldier, when the people them open their mouth, and I see some long teeth come out of their head, and some know say a duppy. So soldier said, teeth, long teeth, you mean teeth like these? When Joe see the teeth in a soldier head, Joe get up out of the shop and poor Joe start to run. He run so till he reach at the yard. Joe said to his wife, say, open the door. Joe run in and lock the door back at him. Joe's wife looked at Joe and said, Joe, then how you look so blue? And your head look like it as swell. Joe said, my wife, I'm sorry, I never believe you. You know, so we go up at the cemetery. And when we go up at the cemetery, I paid up here follow me. I paid up in here. See? The wife said, what you mean, my duppy? Joe, me did tell you if you don't come out of this morning, you know. Me tell you, say you shouldn't tie out the cow up at the cemetery. And now you come down here and tell me, say you say Pierre Duppy. Joe said, yes. The duppy them have some teeth in their head. And the teeth long down out of their head. Why me not ever go back up there again? So Joe, I said, all right, Joe, all right. Sit down, let me make you some ginger tea. So Joe now sit down, and the wife take out the ginger tea. So she said to Joe, so when you say you sit now, Joe said some teeth in the people them head, man. Pierre Duppy follow me come home. The wife looked at Joe and said, Joe, you mean teeth like these? When Joe looking at him wife mouth, a Pierre Duppy teeth Joe sitting at the wife mouth, Joe take up himself, kick off him on a door, and Joe start to run out of the house. And Joe run. So till up to today, nobody don't know where Joe there or what happened to Joe. Jack Mandora, me not choose none. Teeth like these. Now make I tell you the same thing, you see. You see, if you don't want them teeth to come for hand, you know, you better like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make me hear one thing about this Duppy story, yeah, in the comment section. And remember, always check the man or the woman them teeth before you go on in their mouth.